What are personalistic and naturalistic histories? A personalistic history focuses on an individual historical figure, their life, their actions, and their contributions to the world. In our case, their contributions to psychology. For instance, a biography about Francis Sumner would qualify as a personalistic history. It includes information about his childhood, his family, his education, his experience in World War I, his training in psychology, his research, and so on. Interestingly, personalistic histories align with Western cultures and their interest in heroes and villains, and personal recognition. But people are not the only forces of change. A naturalistic history examines the broader forces of history, the naturally occurring events that played a significant role in shaping the past. For example, Edwin Boring pointed to the occurrence of multiples, or multiple independent events, which are said to happen when two or more people independently create the same theory or make the same discovery. Through a naturalistic approach, historians learned that the world-famous Charles Darwin and the relatively unknown Alfred Wallace, simultaneously yet independently, developed nearly the same theory of evolution in the mid-1800s. Eventually, Wallace sent a letter to Darwin describing his ideas. Upon reading the letter, Darwin realized he had competition and worked quickly to publish the book he had been working on for nearly 20 years before Wallace got credit for the theory. As you can see from this first lecture, psychology's history is fascinating and valuable to our understanding of the field. In the next lecture, you'll learn more about the influence of ancient philosophy and the physiologists of the Renaissance and Enlightenment periods.